All right, this time we have found hundreds of trout. See them there? There they are. Those are all trout. It's thick in there. It just hits it and hits it and hits it. I didn't even expect him to hit it again. He's so close to the boat. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Just dead sticking. Just let it sit for like up to 5 seconds, really. A huge boil just came up behind it. Missed it. Huge boil. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see if you're still out there. I think you're still out there. Holy moly, did you see that? I hope we got that. Oh, he's on there. He's on. He is on. Oh. Oh, he was swimming with it. Oh, man. Oh, he is big. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. Where are you at? Wow. Oh, he knows he's hooked now. Got him on the Z-Man. Z-Man, soft topwater. Soft topwater Z-Man. This thing is huge. What is it? It's acting like a trout. If it's a trout, it's... Oh, no, it's big red. Nice red. Nice red. I got a 10-pound braid. Berkeley X9 with a 20-pound leader. Oh, come on. Don't horse him. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he was out there. There's a bunch out there. There's a big school of them right out there. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, come on. Oh, yeah. I think he's ready now. Oh, he might not be ready. Oh, come on. Yeah. Fat. Whoa. Nice. Oh yeah, whoa, holy moly. Oh man, this is upper slot. Oh, whoa. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Oh. Oh man. I think I gotta tighten the drag just a little bit so he doesn't get me into an oyster bar. Cut me off. Here he comes. Whoa. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow, you hit it like a freight train. Oh man. Oh. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. You done yet? Hit the Z-Man. Soft top water. I was just working it along, give it little pops. Give it little pops. Found this guy in a little hole back here. Oh yeah, he's done. Oh, don't cut me off now. Don't cut me off now. Don't cut me off now. Oh, yes, right into the net. Oh yeah, he's fat. Upper slot, right at 27. There he is. Hit like a freight train. Hit like a freight train.